I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to recover a deleted photo or video on your Android device. Step 1. Open the Google Photos app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Step 2. Tap to open the trash can. You'll see all of the photos and videos you've recently deleted. Items that are backed up to Google's cloud will be available for 60 days. Items not backed up to Google's cloud will only be available here for 30 days. Step 3. Find the specific deleted photo or video that you want to recover and then tap to view that item. Step 4. Tap Restore at the bottom of that photo or video. You'll see a note that photo or video has been restored to its previous location. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.